Hey everyone! Today we're looking at the question you might not have thought about. Can you still use Windows 95 in 2025? Let's find out.
Installing Windows 95. Installing Windows 95 on modern hardware is nearly impossible. You need an old PC or a virtual machine. Software compatibility. Most modern softwares won't work. Browsing the internet is also impossible with outdated browsers like this. This is the old version of Microsoft Internet Explorer, which is now Microsoft Edge. Okay. Security and the Internet. Windows 95 has no security updates longer, and connecting to the Internet is risky with no modern browsers. This is not modern browser. Yes. Okay. What it's good for? It's mostly useful for retro gaming, like classic games. Classic games run fine, but that's about it. Here might be some classic games. Here's Microsoft. No. Here's games. Here. Solid. Yeah. Like for the games like this, it's good enough, but not for anything else. Or you can just make new text document, make and type in things. That's all you can do with Windows 95. So, is Windows 95 usable in 2025? Not really. It's just fun for nostalgia, but not for everyday use. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.